Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ashmeet Kaur and as you all know, I am a professional makeup artist. In today's video, I will be sharing with y'all two of my favorite face washes for dry skin. Okay, now before we get started, I would like to share one thing with y'all. I definitely do not promote whitening or brightening products. I feel every skin tone is beautiful. So the thing is, nothing was suiting my skin. My skin had become even more drier than it usually was because of the temperature dropping, and my what do you call it, older face washes were not doing anything. The new ones that I was trying, they were irritating my skin. And then there was a problem with there was some ingredient that was irritating me on the nose. As soon as I used to lather, I used to start sneezing even before washing of the product. So I was facing such kind of problems, and then I heard of this brand called Beauty Buffet, and I started using their face wash, and I've been using this one. This one is the whitening facial foam. Now Beauty Buffet is a brand that is launched in 2019. It is launched in Thailand. It is not an Indian brand. Now talking about the branding, if you can see, there is a cow as a logo over here. This honestly reminds me of the Nude's launch of their premium goat milk products. I don't know, it just looks very similar. I mean, of course, cow and goat and whatever, but the branding sort of seems very similar to me. So it obviously does the job of cleaning your face, but with these mild cleansers and organic cleansers, I've noticed that the makeup completely doesn't come off, but with this the makeup comes off, and it does a good job as well without stripping away extra oils, and it also moisturizes your skin. So the thing is, really the website is not really clear as to each product has what ingredients in it, but luckily at least they have mentioned the ingredient list on the packaging, so that is a good thing. It contains lauric acid. Lauric acid usually has a lot of moisturizing properties. It contains milk protein as well. The milk protein also keeps the skin hydrated and helps in reducing dark spots. So basically, they can form a film on the surface of your skin which does not allow the moisture to evaporate and in turn just stay intact in the skin. It also has nicotinamide. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it wrong, sorry if I'm mispronouncing it, but that has anti-inflammatory properties, which again is really good for the skin. You get 100 ml for $750, which is a really good deal, I feel. It's got a very creamy texture. It doesn't create any foam, and it has a mild fragrance to it. Now the second product that I really love is this one. This one is from Juicy Chemistry. This one is saffron, marula and ylang ylang face wash. It says here dry to normal skin. It does not contain any preservatives, no synthetic fragrance oil, no mineral oils, and this is a 100 ml bottle. It's got a pump. It's priced for 750 rupees. I've done a video on the Juicy Chemistry lip scrub as well. If you want to check it out, I will leave the link in the description box below. Brand claims that it nourishes your skin and is effective on dull skin as well. Of course, it removes dirt and impurities. It also claims that it helps in preserving the skin's natural moisture. Now again, the ingredients are not mentioned on the bottle. The ingredients, however, were mentioned on the Juicy Chemistry website. I really loved how they have literally given in detail the ingredients on how to use and everything. It's not just a one line. They've explained it in such a way that I think a layman can also understand which product will be good for them. Now it contains lavender, which is again an anti-inflammatory, and it helps in killing the bacteria. It contains pomegranate seed as well, which helps in skin repair, and it has anti-aging properties as well. So ylang ylang is actually one of their main ingredients in this, which helps in improve the skin texture, and it also helps in moisturizing the skin. Now there is saffron as well in this, which helps in skin brightening, and it has a lot of other benefits. It helps in removing your suntan. It also helps in adding radiance to your skin. This has done wonders to my skin. I really love using it. I'm going to show you the texture. It's got a very typical herbal smell. It's got a very runny texture. It feels very similar to an oil. This too does not foam. Now for a bonus tip round. All right, sometimes these organic products generally tend to get spoiled easily. So if you throw the box, it's very difficult to find out the expiry date of the particular product. I'm going to give you 3 tips how to find out that your product has expired. 1, it will smell differently. 2nd, your product will change color. 3rd, your product will have some sort of black spots in it. I have 2 more. I can share that also with you. If you can see 2 layers of the product which has they have separated, that again means that your product has gone bad. The last one is that the texture will be different. So in those cases, you will have to throw out the product. Anyway, we've reached the end of this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you all have, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you soon.